So, this is Pia. She just woke up, and it's already 7:30.
I'm a bit late.
But anyways, while she gets ready, let me tell you about her. She's a graphic design student who is very lazy and does everything at the last minute. She does her makeup in a rush because she has 10 minutes left to leave.
I'm ready, by the way.
Good. Go to college now. She walks to college. Wait, no, that's a lie. Oh yes, she takes the bus at 8:20 to be exact, and reaches at 9, right before class starts. She's either always late or weirdly too early. She loves design, but hates critique day. After college, she eats a lot because designing makes her hungry.
Designing doesn't, but waking up early, yeah.
Then she takes her dog for a walk because she's a good dog mom, and also because her dog forces her. She said she would study. She is, technically, but she's also watching YouTube while doing it.
It's called multitasking.
And as you can see here, this is how she procrastinates. She said she was going to study, but now she's a gamer. Wait, oh my gee, she's going to sleep. And it's only 11 p.m.
Is that early or late?
That's too early. She's not staying up designing until 3 a.m. tonight.
Today I have to sleep early because I have to wake up early and be a responsible adult or whatever.
But that's Pia, a very real graphic design student. Chaotic, creative, and surprisingly productive when she wants to be.
Good night.
She's going to sleep before midnight. Someone write that down.